Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my schoolmates. The true purpose of education is to turn a closed mind into an open one. With these lines, I am Mishka Sati and like Tapasya Sharma are going to conduct today's morning assembly activity. In our daily assembly, we often seek guidance and inspiration. Today we have the opportunity to seek the wisdom contained within Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So I would like to call Shri to share a phrase from Guru Granth Sahib Ji.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today I am going to tell you a phrase of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. The phrase is परमात्मा रूप में बहुत सारे ढंग प्रचलित हैं, लेकिन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी की बाणी अनुसार समझाया गया है कि इंसानियत या मनुष्यता की सेवा करके परमात्मा को खुश किया जा सकता है। गुरवाणी का फरमान है विच दुनिया से कमाइए ता दरगाह बैसन पाइए। इसका मतलब है कि दुनिया में निस्वार्थ होकर इंसानियत अथवा मानवता की सेवा सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, जिसके माध्यम से ईश्वर को प्रसन्न किया जा सकता है। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ स्पिरिचुअल डे अहेड।
Thank you, Shri.
Let's continue this beautiful morning with a positive thought. I would like to invite Abhay Patel to share today's morning thought.
Good morning to all of us present here. The thought for the day is, if you fail, never give up, because fail means first step in learning. I repeat my thought. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first step in learning. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Abhay, for the wonderful thought. Now, let's stay informed. I would like to call Aram Jain to share today's news headlines.
Respected principal and teachers and one and all present over here. Good morning, respected principal and teachers and one and all present over here. The news that command our attention today is Himachal Pradesh monsoon season has claimed 219 lives. SDMA reports 112 deaths from the rain-related incidents, including landslides, floods, while 107 fatalities occurred in the roads in accident during this period. Second, former US President Donald Trump has expressed support for Israel as President's potential takeover for Gaza, while also praising US-led aid despite the worsening humanitarian crisis. Third, Rishabh Yadav, 22, secured India's first individual medal at the World Games 2025, winning bronze in the men's compound archery after a stellar performance. CBSE has reiterated that class 10 and 12 students must have 75% attendance for the year 25-26 to set for board exam, emphasizing academic discipline. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Aram, for informing us.
Moving on, let's now learn something new. I would like to call Om Patelia to share the word of the day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Om Patelia from class 10C. Today I am here to represent word of the day. The word of the day is empathy, spelling EMPATHY, meaning the ability to understand and share our feeling to another. Using sentence, Pratham shows a great empathy towards Anmol after losing competitive exams. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.
Thank you all. Let's now enjoy the rhythm of words. I would like to call D.I. Prachi for a beautiful poem.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Prachi Pandit and I am Diya Srivastava from class 10C. We are here to recite our poem. The test is done, the result is unknown. A new chapter waits, the seed to be shown. Don't let your past define your flight. Embrace the future with shine and bright.
Keep challenge face, a lesson learned, your inner strength forever born. With every step, a chance to grow, let your potential brightly glow.
The path ahead may twist and turn, but in your heart a fire will burn. Believe in yourself, your dream ignite, and chase the star with all your might.
This blank page, yours to fill with grace, with knowledge gained and love to embrace, so let worries cease and find your path to inner place.
Struggle today for better tomorrow. Hard work play important role, you should always know.
No matter how tough may seem the climb, keep moving, keep fighting, one win at a time. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.
Thank you, dear Prachi.
Today, remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. With these lines, we wrap up our today's morning assembly, wishing you a productive and joyful day ahead. Thank you.